Hello friends, welcome to GK Updates. We are discussing the second topic of our PYQ series. Today we will discuss the most important previous year questions related with atomic structure. This class will be very helpful if you are preparing for RRB NTPC, Group D or other upcoming RRB exams. Once again, welcome to GK Updates and we are moving to our session. The smallest particle of an element that can participate in a chemical reaction is called. Option number C, atom. So, atom is the smallest particle of an element that can participate in a chemical reaction. Generally, the nucleus of an atom consists of. Option number D, protons and neutrons. Which subatomic particle was discovered by James Chadwick? Option number B, neutron. Neutron was discovered by James Chadwick in 1932. Proton, electron and neutron are the subatomic particles in an atom. Electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson in 1897. An electron has a charge of minus 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Ernest Rutherford discovered proton in 1917. The charge of a proton is equal to the charge of electron but opposite in sign. A proton has a charge of plus 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. The neutron was discovered by James Chadwick and it has no charge. Name the British physicist who awarded Nobel Prize in 1906 for the discovery of electrons. Option number C, J.J. Thomson. Which of the following has positive charge? Option number A, proton. So, proton has positive charge. Who coined the term atom? Option number C, Democritus. So, Democritus coined the term atom. Neutron is present in all atoms except. Option number A, hydrogen is the correct answer. Hydrogen is the only atom without a neutron. Who provided the basic theory about the nature of matter? Option number A, John Dalton. Moving to the ninth question. What is the mass of an electron? Option B, 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kilogram. So friends, an electron has a mass of 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kilogram. The masses of proton and neutron are nearly equal. 1.673 into 10 raised to minus 27 kilogram is the mass of a proton, and a neutron has a mass of 1.675 into 10 raised to minus 27 kilogram. From the above data, we can also see that electron is the lightest subatomic particle in an atom and neutron is the heaviest particle. Name the scientist proposed the theory that the electrons are trapped in a positively charged sphere. Option number C, J.J. Thomson. Which of the following is not a subatomic particle? Option number D, radon is the correct answer. Proton, electron and neutrons are the subatomic particles in an atom. A proton has a charge of. So friends, our question is, what is the charge of a proton? Option number A is the correct answer. A proton has a charge of plus 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Moving to the next question. Who was the first to use a cathode tube? Option number D, J.J. Thomson. So, J.J. Thomson was the first to use a cathode ray tube. The nucleus model of an atom was first discovered by. Option number D, Ernest Rutherford. The nucleus model of an atom was first proposed by Ernest Rutherford. On the screen, we can see the different atom models and the scientists who proposed that. First one, solid sphere model, and it was proposed by John Dalton. The plum pudding model was associated with J.J. Thomson. Ernest Rutherford proposed nucleus model, and finally Niels Bohr proposed planetary model of atom. The Rutherford's atomic model does not describe about. Option number C, stability of atom. Rutherford was not able to describe about the stability of an atom in his atomic model. Who is considered as the father of nuclear physics? Option number C, Ernest Rutherford is the correct answer. The maximum number of electrons present in a shell is given by the formula. Option number A, 2n square. Using this formula, we would be able to find the maximum number of electrons in a shell. How many electrons are present in L shell of an atom? Option number B, 8. The L shell can accommodate a maximum of 8 electrons. The maximum number of electrons which can accommodate in a shell can be calculated by the formula 2n square. By using this, we would be able to know that the K shell can accommodate a maximum of 2 electrons. The maximum number of electrons that an L shell can accommodate is 8 and M shell is 18. A maximum of 32 electrons can be accommodated in N shell. An atom has electronic configuration 287. Which is the atom? Option number D, chlorine is the correct answer. Moving to the next question. The number of protons or electrons in an atom is called. So, the number of protons or electrons in an atom is called its atomic number. Option number A is the correct answer. What is the mass number of an atom? Option number C is the correct answer. So friends, the mass number of an atom is the sum of protons and neutrons. In a symbol, what is the atomic number of sodium? Option number B, 11. The number which is written on the left bottom side of a symbol is called its atomic number. The mass number of an element is denoted on left top of its symbol. The equivalent antiparticles of electrons are called. Option number C, positron. Positron is the equivalent antiparticle of electron. Moving to the next question. The unit of measuring mass of an atom. Option A, atomic mass unit. In the third shell of an atom, what is the maximum number of electrons? Option B, 18 electrons. The formula for finding the maximum number of electrons in a shell is given by 2n square. N is the shell number and in this question n is equal to 3. So, the maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in third shell is 18. Moving to the last question of our session. The wave mechanical model of atom was proposed by option C, Max Planck. So, Max Planck proposed the wave mechanical model of an atom. That was the end of our session. Hope you guys studied the topic. For more GK updates, please subscribe the channel, keep supporting us, and once again, thank you.